This spring, we have a brand new workshop at the Art Garden in Beverly, Western Australia. It's the Abstract Wildflower Weekend Workshop. And this one is so exciting because for the first time, it involves an outing. So we have a bit of a plein air activity. Not only that, it will progress from using watercolour and ink into acrylic painting on the Sunday. So the whole workshop is centered around this really fabulous kit box full of great activities. Inside the box is books and watercolor paint cards, notebooks to paint on. It's just great. But the best bit is the box itself, which we paint on day 2, inspired by all the wildflower research and the fun watercolor play that we have on Saturday. This part of the workshop focuses on a process that I call watercolour haiku. On Saturday, after a bit of instruction in watercolour haiku, we go out into the reserve and we spend some time doing some plein air sketching, just using our box to lean on. Now, this is actually really easy because I've developed a booklet we can take with us that has all the prompts in it that we need to record all the important information. And there's everything in the kit that we need to splash a bit of watercolor around out there. And it's easy and it's fun and it's quick, just like a haiku. We go, and then after that, we go back into the studio where throughout the rest of the day, we will play with ink and watercolor and these simple exercises, the watercolor haiku exercises in layering, transparency, and playing with that sort of beautiful resistance of the ink and stuff. And creating a pattern and a design. So we're sort of working out how to abstract what we've learned. The next day, we focus on painting the box. So we are going to cover the box in all of our kind of abstract influences. So we're immersed in wildflowers and we're just using the colours that we've learnt. And it's not a complicated process because I have simplified it down into a 4-layered approach. And this reduces it to a super easy, fun thing to do. Because we're fully immersed in our wildflower patterning, who knows what wonderful creations we will end up with. And even then, I reckon there will still be plenty of time left in the day for more watercolor haiku because it's so fun. It's like super addictive. So I am super excited about this workshop. I really hope you come and join me at the Art Garden. Woohoo!